Okay, I got everything set up. So, how do I start these videos? Hey people, that sounds so stupid. What do I do? So, basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be reviewing these markers. They're called Milo Markers, I think. Yeah, they're called Milo Markers. And they're basically the discount version of the Copic markers, which I want to buy, but they're, for the 12 pack, it's like $72 or something, and for the 30 something pack, it's like $140. And I'm two of two things. I'm broke and I'm cheap. So I'm going to be reviewing these ones because they were the cheaper version that I found online, and hopefully they're any good and they're just not like those cheap knockoffs that always suck, which hopefully they're not those. So I'm gonna take them out of this box and then I'm just gonna open them up, show you the unboxing. There was nothing really in the box except for some stuff, this thing, stuff. This thing underneath me, this drawing board, it's not dirty, it's just a bunch of paint that I got on it and it like dried, so it just looks kind of messed up. So I'm gonna open this up and see what these markers look like. This is some satisfying ASMR first. Just kidding. I can open them. I have scissors here. Ah. Satisfying. I hope that my cameras are both recording and that I'm just not talking to myself, because that always happens to me. Packaging looks pretty nice. So hopefully, just because it's cheap, doesn't mean that it's not nice. I don't know what I just said. But I'm gonna check if my cameras are recording really fast. Okay. Now I'm gonna actually open this up and see how these look. Hopefully this catches the sound. Satisfying. So, there's a bunch of colors here, just like the Copic ones, but those ones are so expensive, so I will save up and eventually maybe I'll get them. Let me see what this marker looks like. Only reason why I think some people might watch this is because there's probably people like me who are cheap and who don't want to buy the other ones right now, and I haven't seen any reviews for these, or I just haven't really looked, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna get some paper and then I'm gonna start drawing with them. I honestly have never really used markers to draw. I only have used like paint, colored pencils, normal pencils, crayons, colored pencils. I already said that. Anyway, I'm gonna try and get some paper really quick and see how these work. I got my sketchbook. This is a new sketchbook, so I'm just gonna go to the back of it because I don't want to just ruin the first page, because for some reason I like having the first page be something good. Okay, so I'm gonna just see how these write. Am I on the back page? Yeah. Whoa! Okay, so I'm not gonna waste a page just drawing a bunch of lines, so I'm gonna do a quick sketch, or probably not gonna be quick, but I'm gonna draw a picture of Spider-Man, and I'm just gonna turn it into a time lapse, and then when I'm done, I've never used these types of markers, or really any markers like this before, so if it's bad, then I don't really care what you do. If it's bad, it's bad.
Just like flies, look out. Here comes the Spider-Man. Listen up, he's got radioactive blood. Can you see from a threat? Take a look overhead. And there goes the Spider-Man. In the chill of night, at the scene of
now it's time for my review. I think that these are really good art markers, and they did really nice on my drawing. My drawing's right here. And I'm gonna keep practicing with them because I wanna be able to get really realistic. Like some people that I watch on YouTube that do this, their drawings, you can't even tell that they're drawings. They look just printed out. But I wanna get the Copic ones eventually and then maybe do a comparison video. But for now, this is what I have, my drawing. And that's the end of this video. Bye.
It must be nice. It must be nice. Kick the floor. We ain't got no time.